Hello everyone, this is Happy Jane. Today's menu is stir-fried kimchi rice based on Backjongwon's stir-fried kimchi rice. It's common ingredient and a very simple recipe.
Main ingredient is kimchi, not just fermented, but it has to be sour. A cup of sour kimchi, and if your kimchi is not sour enough, don't use sugar. But if we choose sour kimchi, try using sugar. A third tablespoon of sugar. Sweetness gets rid of that sour taste, and sugar also enhances the taste of sour kimchi. And amount of soy sauce depends on the saltiness of kimchi, but usually half tablespoon is proper for one serving. I'll add some onion instead of processed meat, such as ham or sausage. Half of cup of onion, half cup of green onion, a third tablespoon of fine red pepper powder, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 egg, roasted seaweed, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, sesame seeds, a bowl of rice. First, cut kimchi into small pieces with scissors like this. It's very convenient for one serving. I'll show you how to cut the vegetables. I'll slice the green onion in half. And then chop. Chop the onion as small as you can. I'll use half of this onion. And first, stir-fry the green onion with cooking oil in the pan. And then onion. Add sugar and soy sauce. It gets cooked. And add kimchi and red pepper powder. If the ingredients are clumped or if the heat is too high, you can add water. But this time I don't have to add water. It has moisture. And let the wok stay next to the stove. And then add the rice. And mix it well. And stir fry again. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. There we go! I put the stir-fried kimchi rice in the bowl of this soup. And I place it on the plate. Like this. I need a fried egg. Put the fried egg on top. Beautiful. Some roasted seaweed goes well with the stir-fried kimchi rice. It looks great. Doesn't it look delicious? Stir-fried kimchi rice. Would you like a bite?